Happy 4th of July. I want to take a minute to personally thank all the men and women in our military. Your service is so appreciated. Today's a day when most people are off enjoying some time with family and friends. That might mean backyard barbecues or simply cooking some burgers and hot dogs. And since I think every holiday should have a specialty drink, we came up with a fun one for you. All we do is fill our blender up with ice. We add an individual pack of fruit punch mix, a bit of sugar, and a good amount of club soda. We give this a whirl, and after it's slushy, we add in about a half a package of Pop Rocks. You know, that candy that pops in your mouth? After it's blended one more time, we pour it into tall glasses and top it off with even more of the candy. What we end up with is a tutti frutti drink that sort of explodes in your mouth. To make this treat that's bursting with fun, pop onto our website and search for Firecracker Slushies. It's that easy. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a dynamite way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Happy 4th.